OHSU Library has a number of group study rooms available for students and residents to use. Study rooms are available at Bick Library on Markham Hill and at the Graduate Learning Resource Center at the RLSB on the South Waterfront. OHSU Library study rooms are intended for use by OHSU students and residents. Employees should use the OHSU Anywhere program for meeting rooms and reservable spaces. Study rooms can be reserved in advance on the OHSU Library website. Hover over the Using the Library tab and then click on Library Spaces. Select the location where you'd like to reserve a study room. Here you'll find all the study rooms available on that floor. Red indicates a room is booked, while green means it's available to be reserved. Click on the time you'd like your reservation to begin. A drop-down menu will appear and allow you to select the length of your reservation. Then click Submit Times. You'll be redirected to a booking details page with the terms and conditions of your reservation. To complete the reservation process, click Continue. Enter a group name and then select Submit My Booking. When you see the Booking Confirmed page, the process is complete. You will also receive a confirmation email which serves as proof of your booking. A few things to note about library study rooms. When study rooms are not reserved, they are available on a walk-in basis. Reservations must be made at least 2 hours in advance and can be made up to 14 days in advance. Users can reserve rooms for up to 6 hours per day. Study rooms can accommodate between 1 and 4 people. Large group rooms are available for groups larger than 4. You will need to arrive within 10 minutes of your start time or your reservation will be forfeited. Rooms cannot be reserved between 7 and 8:30 p.m. to allow for custodial staff to clean. Rooms are intended for use by OHSU students and residents. OHSU employees are encouraged to use OHSU Anywhere spaces for meetings. Please reach out if you have any questions about study rooms or would like to learn more about the resources and services available through OHSU Library.